can't take. Well, first we're gonna show you guys
some ingredients.
the things. So we all have a bowl and a spoon because we obviously need that.
And then I want you to guess what I'm about to do it. Leave in the comments right now what you think, and we'll see if you're right. That's kind of odd. Sponges. So if you guessed sponges, you're correct.
Let us know down below.
Yeah, so like comment what you did, and we will check and see. But we're using sponges to see if we can make jelly cube slime. And this is not how we make jelly cube slime. Comment and let us know if you do not use sponges. It's just like random, so comment, help us out.
So we obviously have glue and Tide,
because you saw that in the video. And then we have shaving cream.
Yeah.
I was just spray that on her, but I got it nice.
Food coloring.
And some clay for butter slime in case. So we are gonna totally get started. Just kidding, we're gonna get started. So yeah, let's start with swapping. She's going to be making jelly cube slime, and I'm gonna be making some butter slime. So I'm gonna go ahead and let her start pouring it first.
Okay.
So she's gonna start pouring it. Okay, she got some.
Yep.
Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna start pouring mine in.
I'm gonna start adding in my jelly cubes. See, so I got some jelly cubes. I'm gonna add it inside.
You had to add so much jelly cubes into it, Reese. Like, you'll think, like, oh, that's enough. I'm probably not gonna end up using all mine. You have to use all your jelly cubes, otherwise it doesn't work.
Okay, now I'm gonna add my activator in.
I promise you. Oh, do you have a napkin? No, you don't. I'll be right back, you guys.
Okay, I'm gonna start mixing in.
Wow, your slime's activating fast. It's just like going. I'm over here like doing steps. Oh my gosh. My shirt. My shirt. What happened to my blue shirt?
Here's my slime. It's already activating fast.
Okay, so I'm gonna start making my slime. Just got done getting glue. I sound like so sassy. I'm sorry. There we go. I'm gonna leave this for.
I am adding more jelly cubes into my slime because it's not acting like jelly cube slime. So we're gonna keep on.
I'm gonna go ahead and find the Tide really quick. You need to add more jelly cubes. That's why it's not. This always ruins it when I put it in. So come on, just work out with me. Okay, I'm just gonna put that much shaving foam because
I'm gonna dye my slime purple. That sounded weird. Like I'm gonna dye my slime.
I'm gonna make my slime dye. Don't mind me. I'm like just gonna keep on
So
stirring
here's
my
the
slime
purple
for a
dye.
really long time.
I'm gonna make it purple. We're doing this thing, dude.
Ooh, it's actually activated.
You can't even see the purple.
Oh, I'm gonna jinx
It's so
myself, I
scary.
bet. Oh, it's actually activating.
Oh shoot, I just got this all over my hand.
Oh, no, it's not activating, so I'm just gonna keep on stirring. You guys, your slime like looks so good, because like look at mine. Does that look like good slime to you when I stir it?
Yes.
Yeah, I touch it and it's like melted. But I think that's gonna turn out as good slime, but I feel like I'm gonna jinx myself. Like, I just don't know, to be honest. I can't keep guessing. Okay, it's actually working out. Okay, that looks like good slime, right?
Yeah. I
Like,
think my
okay.
jelly cube slime is working.
Yes!
It's so stiff, you guys.
You guys, this is like just so stretchy, like watch.
I am gonna add some clay to mine because
So
it's
you're
like
like-
rip.
Yes, yeah, that's what I did. That's why I add some clay to mine.
See, like this might make like it fail, but like look.
No, it will not fail. Trust me. I got like move so fast because it's like so sticky. Okay, I'm putting you back in the bowl. I need to get the clay. It's not funny. Like I cannot get it off my hands. Oh shoot!
Ah!
It's stuck.
Oh my gosh, it's on me. It's on me.
Oh my
Got it.
gosh! Get off my hands. How do people do this?
Do you need some
So
time?
sometimes I go sneak slime into school and like kids will be like, "Can I play with your slime?" And they'll get it all over their hands. I'm not gonna let people play with this slime if they want to play with it. If I sneak it up to school. go, there we go, there we go.
This is like a total girl slime.
This is a total girl slime.
It's pink and purple, guys.
Mine's like a boy and girl slime. If boys like the color teal, then I guess it's a boy
I
slime.
need some.
Reese, you're gonna ruin my slime because you're leaning over it.
I'm gonna.
Okay, so what
play.
color should I do my slime? I think I'm just gonna pick a color and do it as that color. Where's purple at? I'm doing purple. That's fine. Boop.
I can feel my clay. It's right there.
My slime's so sticky, guys, but it's so good. It's like so sticky, but so good, but I just don't know what to call it.
Oh yeah, that's another thing we have to do. We have to name our slimes.
Yeah. I already named my slime Jelly Cube Slime.
What's your Jelly Cube slime name?
Jelly Cube Slime. I'm gonna call it Aquamarine.
Oh, that's
Because it reminds me of the aquamarine color. Like, have you seen the color aquamarine? That, like, mine's so stiff, but it's like so squishy. Like, it's Jelly Cube Slime is meant to be like a squishy. It's not meant to be stretchy. It's not really meant to be sticky. It's just like nice and calm. I think that's what it's supposed to be like.
So here's my
It's
slime.
not really considered as slime. Like, I would consider it as a squishy if someone asked.
Comment
like,
down
if
below if
someone
you
asked
guys
me
have
what
any
my
name
slime
suggestions
was.
for this one because I have absolutely no idea.
If anyone asked me what my slime collection was, I probably wouldn't say that I made Jelly Cube Slime. Just because earlier I said that I would, but just because I count my Jelly Cube Slime really like as a squishy, I really would not consider it as slime. Just because it's like a squishy, but it's like slime. I don't know how to explain it.
This
But,
slime is like
Where's
3
the clay?
slimes in
I need
one.
the clay. I need the clay. I need the clay. I need the clay. I think that my slime's gonna turn out to be like so good, you guys. Earlier, you guys saw it was a disaster. I agree. But now it's like turning out though. Like, I'm just gonna kind of.
This is my final product of my slime.
No, I can't probably get it off my hands for like 2 days, but that's fine.
It is super stiff.
Yeah, that's what I told you.
But
You're missing a
it's
sponge.
like 3 slimes in one. It's like Jelly Cube slime, fluffy slime, and butter slime in one. It's so amazing. I'll show you guys my other slime. So these are my 2 slimes. I made this one in the last video, and I made this one in this vlog. I mean video. Oh, it's heaven. It's so soft. This one is so soft.
Reese, will you get the dye for me? Thanks.
The
The dye right there.
oh.
You guys. So
This slime is amazing.
So, you guys, it is about past. Wait.
I'm gonna see how clicky this is.
I need to add some more. Look, it's not very clicky. I hate it. You know why mine wasn't that clicky? Mine would have been like the perfect clicky slime, but like the sponges would absorb into it.
It's so squishy.
I know, that's why I told you there's like a squishy, not really slime.
Okay, I'm gonna put this one away and show you guys my other slime.
My slime's so like sticky kind of, but the
So
clay
here's
is like
my
helping it, but I don't know what to do, like how to make my slime like not so sticky.
Listen to this click. Everybody be quiet.
You guys, look! I made my slime, so I hope that you guys like my slime that I just now made. It's not really as sticky. It's kind of sticky though still, but still it's like really good slime.
I'm loving my 2 brand new slimes.
Do not forget, we are going to be having merch with our slime, and so we
Not
have...
this slime though.
Yeah, not this slime. Sorry. We might do Jelly Cube slime or something. Butter slime for sure. But we are going to do unicorn slime. So we're going to get clear glue and get unicorn glitter and put it in our slime for you guys. And we'll be selling it. And then we have been looking up like every single day. Me and her will face each other and be like, oh, what do we do next for our merch? So you guys should be having some pretty cool
We
merch.
think about you guys night and day, so we care about you guys a lot.
Yeah. So every single time we get together for a sleepover, we'd be like, we got a vlog.
Yeah, we're like we try to do it every single weekend.
But we're gonna go ahead and end this video just because it has been 9 minutes in the video. Usually we try to end at 8 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and say bye. We finish what you're saying really quick.
What was I saying?
You're like saying something like, we care about you guys.
Oh yeah, we care about you guys a lot. So if you guys are like, they don't care about us like at all, we do. We think about you guys night and day. We think about you
Hey.
guys
Look at what you got onto my slime, Missy.
at school. I didn't get them in there.
Here you go.
Not in that one.
Well, anyways, we're going to shut you off. We love you. Thank you. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
See ya.
And we love